Be making a YouTube video, and yeah, it's gonna be about my Nerf gun. I don't know what the heck it's called. You can call it anything you want, but yeah, got it from Target for my birthday. Yeah, and this is it. Yeah, and that's my Nerf gun. Yeah, that I just got today. So here, I'll be showing you how it shoots, and yeah. Okay, this is me. This is me putting in the bullets. Take a while. Sorry guys, I'm sweating. Just came from outside. Almost done guys, almost done. This is how much is on right now. Almost done. And I'll be showing you in a minute, right now. Okay, guys, this is me with the Nerf gun, putting the mag on it. Okay. This is battery, I forgot, I think it's, I don't know, AAA, I think, I don't know, whatever. What's that? You can see, look, guys, this bullet in there, mag. And, quick thing, I need to show you guys. Close this first. You see this right here? You can push it down and it will close like that. And yeah. And if you want to put the battery inside, this is where you have to put it. Unscrew the 3 screws. And then here's trigger. And this is the like a stock, I think it was. Yeah, whatever. And you can pull it back. See? This is a button right here. This button. And then yeah, you pull it back. I like it like this. No, I think I like it like this. Like that, yeah. Okay, now this is me shooting it, guys. Shooting it. And guys, hold on. This is how it sound. This is the sound. It's like a motor. Look. You hear that? It's a little loud, guys. Look it. Okay, look. This is me shooting. Okay, you ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that's one bullet. Yeah, that's one bullet, guys. That's one bullet. Okay. Oh, I need to fix it real quick. Hold on. Alright, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back. Fixing it. It got jammed for a second. Okay, this is it. This is it. Okay. Hold on. Okay, this is it. This is it. I'm shooting. Again, a second. And yeah, that's the whatever gun you want to call it. Yeah, End Strike Elite. I just figured out. End Strike Elite Nerf gun, and yeah, that's what it is. Elite. Guys, subscribe, like, comment below, and see you in my next video. Bye.